My name is Arira Joseph, the founder of Divos Academy. I've been on a series how you can use fundamentals to trade forex, particularly gold. Today by 2:30, another fundamental news will be released, will be published on Forex Factory website. Today is the 14th of January 2026. So whenever you're watching this video, I made this video to trade gold with the economic news that will be released on Forex Factory. So this is the economic news that will be released on Forex Factory. It is called Producer Price Index, PPI. So let me go back to click on today. So by 2:30, core PPI month over month will be released. Core retail sales will be released. PPI month over month will be released. So, and retail sales month over month will be released by 2:30. So I'm going to use our strategy. The strategy we use to trade gold is 5 were wise, 5 were foolish. It is gotten from the book of Matthew chapter 25 verse 2 to 13. And in this strategy, I open 5 buy positions and 5 sell positions. The lot size I use is 0.01. For the buy positions, I put my profit target. The sell position also put my profit target and my stop loss. For the buy positions, the first buy position, the profit target is going to be the entry price plus 10. The second buy position is going to be the entry price plus 20. The third buy position is going to be the entry price plus 30. The fourth buy position is going to be the fourth buy take profit point is going to be the entry price, the entry price plus 40. The fifth buy take profit point is going to be the entry price plus 50. For the sell is going to be minus. So the first sell take profit point is going to be the first sell entry price minus 10. The second sell take profit is going to be the entry price for the sell minus 20. The third sell take profit is going to be the entry price of the sell minus 30. The fourth sell take profit is going to be the entry price of the sell minus 40. And the fifth sell take profit point is going to be the entry price of the sell minus 50. So the stop loss for all the buy is going to be the take profit of the last sell, and the stop loss for all the sell is going to be the take profit of the last buy. So I've done much talking. Let us go head over to practicals. Yesterday CPI was released. I made profits, and today we are waiting for PPI, Producer Price Index fundamentals, to be released. So let me enter the market and do justice to it. So I want to trade gold. My account balance is $216. I want to trade gold today. This is gold. I'll click on it. I'll click on charts. Now my lot size I told you is going to be 0.01. I'm going to open 5 buy position, 5 sell position. I'm going to do this simultaneously. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I've done that. Go to trade. Begin to modify my entry point. So for my buy, take profit point is going to be, let me modify it. Click on modify. Take profit is going to be 4642.81. Modify 424652.81. Modify 4663.02. Modify 46 72.83, modify, 4692.68, modify. So for my sell, four six one two dot 76, modify, 4602.74, modify, 4593.00, modify, 4582, modify, 4572.68. So how many buys we have here? We have 1 2 3 4 5, sell 1 2 3 4 5. Now the stop loss for all my buy is the take profit for my last sale, and so this is my last sale here. The take profit is 4572.68. so let me go there, copy it, let me copy and go back, modify, I will paste it, paste it, sorry, supposed to be my buy, I'll paste it, so I've set my take profit for all my buy and my stop loss for all my buy. So for my sell, the stop loss for my sell is going to be the take profit for my last buy, and this is my last buy, I just highlighted it. The take profit is 4692.68. so let me go click on modify, let me copy the take profit, copy it, go back, modify my sell, all my cells, paste, click on modify, click on modify, paste, click on modify, paste, click on modify, so I've set my take profit for all my buy and I've set my take profit for all my sell. I've also set my stop loss for my sell and the stop loss for my buy. So now I'll wait for 2:30 to come when Forex Factory publishes the core producer price index month over month, core retail sales price producer index, and retail sales month over month. When they publish their value, I'm going to expect volatility to do its thing. So the market can either go down or go up. So if it goes up and I'm in $10 profit, it goes up and comes down to my entry and it gives me a $10 profit, I'm going to close out from the market and I'll be in profit. So let's see what core PPI stands for. They say core PPI measures change in the price of finished goods and services sold by producers, excluding food and energy. Core PPI measures change in the price of goods and services sold by producers, excluding food and energy. Now, PPI stands for Producer Price Index. So it measures the change in the price of finished goods and services sold by producers, excluding food and energy. Now, if the actual is greater than forecast, it's good for the currency. Let's go back. So now the actual is yet to be released and the forecast is 0.2%. So if the actual is greater than forecast, it is good for the currency. By good for the currency, it means people will be buying the United States dollars. So now I traded gold against the United States dollars. So if the actual of core PPI is greater than the forecast, people will actually be selling gold. So gold will be going down. So if the actual is greater than forecast, it is good for currency. People will be buying the United States dollars and selling other currencies. But if the reverse is the case, people will be selling United States dollars to buy other currencies. And what I just did here is that I have a buy position for gold. So wherever the market wants to go is going to be my favor. So if the actual is greater than forecast and people are buying the United States dollars, my sell position will be the one in profit. And a time will come where it's going to return back to my entry. So don't forget, we also have core retail sales month over month. That one, if the actual, let's check it. If the actual is greater than forecast, it's also good for currency. So we have 5 seconds to go, 4 seconds to go. Let's see how the market react. Okay, pending. We are waiting for the news to be released. It's 2:30 already. Okay, wow. So we have now a conflicting market, a volatile market. For the core PPI month over month, the actual is less than forecast. So what this means is people will be selling the United States dollars to buy gold. So gold is going to be on the rise. But for the core retail sales month over month, people will be buying the United States dollars and they'll be selling other currencies. So we are going to have a conflicting situation here between the buyers and sellers. So let me go back to my chart and see what's happening here. So you can see that there's this tussle. Are the buyers going to gain or the sellers going to gain? So I'm going to allow the market to do its thing. It's going to come to a point where the buyers will be winning and I'm going to be in profit. Then the sellers will say no, the buyers cannot win. They will start selling the gold because of core retail sales month over month. So I'm going to leave out. I'm going to go out from here, come back later to see how the market is reacting to the news. If I'm in profit, I'm going to close out, and if not, I'm going to come back and tell you I'm not in profit. My name is Arura Joseph. I'm the founder of Blivos Academy. As usual, take charge. My name is Arura Joseph. I'm back again to see how our trade is going. Today is still the 14th of January 2026 and this is 4:42. Let's check our trade. Remember, I traded United States dollars against gold, and I used our trading strategy: 5 were wise, 5 were foolish, and that was for hedging. Then the economic fundamentals I use is producer price index that was released by 2:30. So let's see how the market is behaving. Let's go back and see how our trade is behaving. Okay, so we are over $10 profit, so we can close out. So you can see my trade from here, that it took out majority of my, it took out 2 of my sell position, and it started going back to my entry. So I'm going to close out. Yeah, close out. I've closed out for today, and I think I made $17 profit I made for today. So I've closed out for today. That will be all for today. As usual, take charge.